Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Hunter. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day. Today, I've got a little guy for you. It's the 2022 Rpod 171, and this is one of my favorite campers if you want something small and compact, kind of get in and get out. This thing weighs under 3,000 pounds at 2,770. Really makes it very versatile. It's also pretty short, rocking in somewhere around 20 feet. I don't know that exact number, but everything will be down in the description of the camper as far as specs and all that good stuff, and my contact information if you guys are interested in pricing. I work at RV Nation, the largest Rpod dealer in the country, so we got some pretty good prices. But again, it's the 2022 Rpod 171 by Forest River. This will be a pretty quick video. As you can tell, it's not overly large, but it's jam-packed with a whole bunch of cool stuff. All right, so I guess we'll start right back here. You got the nice aluminum entry steps, extra large grab handle. You're gonna see you got yourself a little light right there, and your marine grade outside speakers. So even though it is on the smaller side, you can still have that camp life right there. Get the music bumping, and those things are, nice and powerful. You got this TV right here, and it is on a swivel, so you can move it around, to wherever you need it. So that's always nice. Right here, you got yourself, a little booth dinette action. It's got those little metal legs right there, which can be removed, and you can drop this top down to lay right here on these ledges. So that way you can sit and sleep, maybe one or two if they're on the smaller side. One adult, my size could fit in that, for a night or two, no problem. You got windows all around, which I definitely enjoy, including a little bit of a bigger one right up front, which is also an emergency exit. So you can push it out if needed, and hop out in the event that you can't get to, right there. Fire extinguisher. Another window which slides open for a nice cross breeze. Get the ventilation going in this bad boy. This is going to be where you control your music. So you got zone 1 and 2, a USB port. Oh, just dropped that little rubber piece. Lucky I didn't lose that. But HDMI, so you can plug in, get some DVD action or some good music rolling. That's always nice. Your 12-volt solar charge controller. So this camper, they did get the solar package on that. And basically what that'll do is it allows you to trickle charge the battery, keep a couple lights on, and just kind of make your trip a little bit more off-road if you would like it to be. The sink here, they did a really good job on utilizing that space to have a nice big sink still. We just prepped this, so we just ran water through it. That's why you'll see that. But it's a nice big round stainless steel bowl. And you got your top, which you can use as a drying rack. Right there, as you can see. Right here, 2 stovetop burner for your, well, it's just what it is. 2 stovetop burner. Get yourself a cutting board that comes with the camper. Up above, you got this little doodad, which explains kind of what the solar panel does. You can research that a little bit online. Again, I'll have some specifications down into the description. Right here, you got plenty of cabinetry. So whatever you got to stuff in there as far as food, plates, all that good stuff. You're ready to go. Speaker right here. Another speaker right here. So for the size of this, you can bounce that music around, really have a good time. 13,500 AC, so that is plenty big to really chill you out of this. If you would like, I believe there is an option for a 15K AC as well. In my opinion, it would probably be overkill for you. Some storage right there. Oh, I forgot to show you. Underneath here, there is storage as well on both sides. Come on, camera. Man, this working. It's not one to cooperate with me, but you can see there's storage right there. Same as on the other side. That's going to be your central vac system. You can also plug in a little hose right there. 2 USBs, and you got 2 outlets along with a microwave. It is a convection microwave oven. Gas and electric refrigerator. Plenty for your nice weekend trip. Little freezer portion as well. Get yourself a wet bath. And what's nice about this is it has the AquaView shower miser. So that's already in there. If you're not familiar with what a shower miser is, oh, it's also got a sink. So the shower miser, you got this all right here. Basically, you flip this little bit, and it'll circulate that water in the water heater. So as opposed to it just spitting out the water at your shower at home, and it's just throwing out all that water, emptying out your tanks, it'll actually rotate it through. So once it's nice and warm, you know, you flip that switch and you start spitting it out, and that's when you start using the water. So it really helps out with your water waste. You know, you utilize every bit that you have, so you're not wasting any of it. I'll show you that too. Nice little fan in there. Keep the air flowing for you. Counter space, can't get enough of that. Underneath the camper, you see you got a little outside storage access, but you got plenty of areas right there to throw whatever you need. Fuse box. This is your control for your heat and your AC. And I thought this was pretty neat. You don't see this in too many campers, but you know, space is king in RVs. And right there, just something silly, but just the ability to hang up a couple items right there makes life so much easier out on the roads. And then you got your queen bed right here. Not too much to say about that. It's a queen bed. You also have fire smoke detector right there. Another emergency exit. You just push that red tab, throw it on through, and you're out of here in a hurry. You got a couple outlets right there, but that about does it for the inside portion of the store. Now let's take a couple moments to show you the outside. Again, this is the 2022 Rpod 171. So the interior color on this, it's called Tupelo Honey. It is currently the only option by Rpod. They also changed in the recent, 2 years ago, you had, well, the outside was different. You had blue and you had greens before that. Now you got this. I think it's looking nice and sharp with that honeycomb exterior. You got your manual stabilizing jacks. Here's the storage. Got yourself a little spray port right here as well. Couple outlets and a black tank flush. That is inside your black tank, so it's basically a sprinkler system, so that way you can flush out, make sure that nothing is sticking to the sides of that. Spare tire out on the back. Power cord, your tanks, that's all going to be your hoses and your dumps right down there. But yeah, really a nice, easy going, quick, fast tour. Again, this was the 2022 Rpod 171. My name is Hunter. Hope you guys have a wonderful day. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Subscribe and stick around for more. See ya.